In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a 12-column grid in Figma. A 12-column grid is a classic foundation for web and interface layouts. It gives you a clean structure, helps align content consistently, and makes responsive thinking a lot easier. Let's set one up together so you can design with confidence and speed. Start by selecting the Frame tool from the bottom toolbar. This tells Figma you're about to create a canvas to design on. Once the Frame tool is active, choose a desktop preset to instantly create a frame at a common screen size. Using a preset keeps things standardized, which is helpful when sharing files with teammates or handing off to developers. With your new frame selected, look to the right-hand sidebar for the Layout Grid section. This panel controls the guides that overlay your frame. Click to add a layout guide so you can start defining structure. At first, Figma adds a simple square grid, which is great for icons and spacing checks, but for page layouts we want columns. Switch the grid type to columns. This changes the overlay from a checkerboard into vertical guides that span your frame. Columns are ideal for structuring headers, body content, sidebars, and cards because they give you repeatable vertical rhythm. Now, in the count field, type 12. This sets the number of columns across your frame to 12, which is the industry standard for web design. 12 works so well because it divides evenly into halves, thirds, and quarters, giving you tons of layout flexibility without constantly recalculating widths. At this point, you have a functional 12-column grid. To make it easier on the eyes, adjust the color and opacity of the grid overlay. Choose a color that contrasts gently with your canvas and set the opacity low enough that it guides you without overpowering your design. If your background is light, a soft, cool hue often works. On darker backgrounds, a lighter, desaturated tone is easier to see. The goal is subtle guidance, not distraction. If you don't immediately see the grid, make sure your frame is selected. Layout grids are attached to frames, not the entire page. And as you design, remember that these columns are a guide, not a cage. Use them to align edges, set consistent spacing, and keep typography and components snapping into a coherent rhythm. That's it. Create a frame with a desktop preset, open the layout grid controls, add a grid, switch it to columns, set the count to 12, and fine-tune the color so it's readable. You're ready to design cleaner, faster, and more consistently with a professional 12-column system.